Want to start editing with Adobe Premiere Rush? Let's get it set up in just few simple steps. First, go to your browser and type in Adobe Premiere Rush download in the search bar or head directly to Adobe's download page. Next, here you can see two options, Buy Now and Start Now. Choose the one you prefer and tap on it. Once you tap on it, our installer will begin downloading. Once it gets downloaded, tap on it and begin the installation process. Once it's done, you can find it on your desktop or in your applications folder. Open it up and you are ready to start editing. Comment below and let me know if you are excited to begin editing your videos on the desktop. Now you are ready to dive into Premiere Rush. Sign in, start a new project and let your creativity flow. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.